All right, welcome back to Frontline Insights. I'm Brandt, and we're here live at the Tech Data Partner Conference. In fact, we're at LA Live, and I'm here with Julius Argumedo.
Yes, with Computer One.
With Computer One. Welcome to the show, Julius.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, no doubt. We've seen each other, we've been around, known each other for a long time.
Absolutely, Bill.
How's things going? What brings you out to the Tech Data Conference?
Well, business has been great. Good to be here. I mean, what brings me out here mostly is number one is right down the road from our office, our corporate office, but we're here to learn. We're here to get advanced, and we're here to see where the market's going. And hearing all the insights and where the market's at in Q3 has been amazing from all the technology partners that have come to the show. I mean, we're excited to keep learning and being, recreating ourselves as a value-added reseller, professional service provider to tap into hopefully new markets, new industry, and new profit margins.
Well said, well said. Well, you seem to be on top of things. Where are some of those opportunities? What are you honing in on as the big growth areas for you?
Wow. Well, this trip, it was a big impression for me on the digital signage. I was here for the pre-event, and to see all the folks like LG and NEC and Panasonic and Samsung, who's #1 in the world on their panels, come together and share, new opportunities, new revenue stream in a market that's barely, tapped into, where there's a lot of profits. I mean, that was nice. And the big excitement also for a lot of my guys that came down the road to come here during the day was the TD Cloud Agency and the TD Academy and the Stream One line, I believe. And we're looking forward to jumping into that, doing our assessment, seeing how we fit in the portal, and capturing our fair share of a business with our clientele.
Excellent. So you mentioned how you're moving more to value-added reselling, solution providing, offering services. What types of services are your end user customers interested in? Where are you focusing those efforts?
Well, we're doing a lot of professional services in the virtualization space. I mean, we're obviously, like most folk, we're doing security and storage, but we're trying to redefine the way we do business and look for lower total cost of ownership, try to create ROIs for our customers. And so there's a lot of opportunity in the telephony market, print management market. The cloud is obviously going to boom, and we're taking full advantage of that. Providers like Wash Manufacturing are kicking butt for us, the good partners.
Excellent, excellent. So, for those who don't know much about you guys, you mentioned you're located right down the road, but tell us a little bit about your company at a high level, where you service, and kind of the span of your capabilities.
Well, about 60% of our company comes from the Fortune 1000. We work at Global Computers, which is now Tiger Direct. So we're excited to say we have a lot of seasoned or senior enterprise sales guys, service providers. I mean, we've been around for 11 years. We're in South El Monte, California. We like to think of ourselves as a name brand in the West Coast market. I mean, Computer One Products also has a new division called Cloud Computing IT Solutions, Inc. And we're servicing all the way from the data centers down to the edge. And we partner up with, and we believe in partnership, and that's why the Connect to Success means a lot to me, in the sense that we are working with big players like the GSTs, the TIGs, friends that we've met over the years at these conferences that now trust us and believe in us, and together we can look at the bigger, we look at the big team working together in synergy. So it's nice.
What did you think about Magic Johnson's presentation? That's some pretty interesting stuff, huh?
Well, explosive again. I mean, his philosophy is a lot aligned with mine. I mean, I just keep working harder. I just need to work a little smarter, by what he's done, and it's another motivator to do more in this industry. I had, certain goals of where I wanted to be, but I think I'm going to extend those goals moving forward. I'm a young guy, so there's a lot of opportunity out there, and if he can do it, in the African American world, I plan to do it in the Latin world.
Nice. One of the things that he mentioned, he talked about setting goals and objectives. He talked about, which is something that's near and dear to my heart, doing SWOT analysis on your company and stuff like that, and setting goals and objectives for your business. So as we're closing out the end of 2011, getting ready to go into 2012, are you doing any planning? Are you thinking about how you're going to grow your business and get to the next level? Is that something that is
yeah, absolutely.
Cycle?
Yes, absolutely. We bring in business coaches. I mean, we just came off a big coaching, mentoring training for 6 months for our team. A company called Southwestern Consulting came in there and did some explosive stuff through June, and then recently we just partnered up with a company called Dancing Elephants, and they're doing. They just did our business plan for Q4 and all of Q12, all of 2012, and yeah, we're excited. I mean, we're focused.
I love it.
Yeah.
Well, Well, Julius, it's always great seeing you. I'm glad
Hey,
to see
you too, Bill.
You're focused.
Oh,
You're ready to take the business to the next level.
Yep, living the dream. We love it. Thank you, Bill.